How to use Gelato print on demand. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Gelato print on demand. And how do you go about this? The first step is to open your web browser, then create an account on Gelato, as I have done here. And what you must notice is that on Gelato, you can do a number of things, which includes you can design your products. All right, you can upload your designs, you can connect to online platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. You can also manage orders and billings all through your Gelato dashboard. So after creating an account, the next thing you should do is to browse through the variety of products available, such as tickets, mugs, wall art, cards, etc. that you might need. As you can see, these are different designs available. You can decide to browse through this, and then you can also decide to create your own product, which is the major essence of Gelato. So to do that, go to the top right corner, click on create product, and then you have an option for you to upload your designs to multiple products, or you can just select a product from the catalog. Anyone is fine. So for me, I'm just going to select a product from the catalog. Okay, and then once you've done that, you will take it to another page, but you have to wait for the page to load. So on this page, you'll be asked to create a template. All right, if you want to create a template, but if not, you can just move to the product catalog tab instead, where you can see different models. All right, different models that you can upload here. So you can just go ahead and select the one you want, then select the one that you prefer amongst the options displayed, and once you've seen it, select it. Right, select the one that you would like to create as your product, and once you have that, you can see the option for you to create order or how to store. Right, these are the two options that you have. You can decide to create the order or to how to store. So go ahead and click on create order, and then you'll be taken to the next page. So this is where the major work starts from. This is where you can now go ahead to customize this shirt to fit into your product. So yeah, next step would be for you to drop your design here. Okay, as a company, as an e-commerce company, you must have had your own design that you would like to promote, and Gelato already provided a platform for that. So once you have your design created, just click on the drop your design here, and then you have options for you to drop files from your device, from Shutterstock, from Google Drive, from Google Photos, or from even your web browser. Whichever way, click on it, and then the image would appear here. And once the image has appeared, you also have options for you to edit the image, as you can see by the left side of the screen. You will see some options for you to edit the image. Just go ahead, do that, and then once you are done, preview it, click on add to order, and then your design will be created. All right, you'll be asked to pay a certain amount of money. Go ahead, pay, and then save your product. So after saving your product, the next thing you can do with Gelato is to link Gelato to platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon to list your products and to receive orders. And then how do you link your products? Just go back to your dashboard. All right, and go back to your dashboard. Let's go. And then on your dashboard page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen, where you can see home, product catalog, orders, store, personalization, studio, templates, branded packaging, analytics, etc. So once you can see this, just go and click on personalization studio. And here, in order for you to link your Etsy, your Gelato account to your Etsy and Amazon, you have to have gotten the pro version of Gelato. All right, so you just scroll down, click on Shopify, and then scroll down. You can see you type personalization with custom elements. Click on try for free, and that box will be displayed. Click on get free trial, add your payment method. Once you've done that, you will then be able to link your Gelato account to your Shopify account and Etsy account. So that is how you can use Gelato print on demand. And then you can also use Gelato print on demand to handle orders, billing, analytics, and subscriptions through your Gelato dashboard. As you do that, move to the left side of the screen. You can see the orders tab, for you to be able to handle your orders. You can see analytics tab for you to check your analytics, your subscriptions, and the likes. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to make good use of your Gelato account today.